say shit behind my back, but I'm just gonna put it in the music. Fuck all y'all.
Bring the bass, bring the bass.
The underground gym that's throwing y'all some diamonds. Everywhere I go, I always stay shining. Round the clock grinding, 6 years rhyming. Soon it's autograph signing.
Trying to do this one day at a time. I put my whole life into these lines. Yeah, nothing can stop us now. You don't want a problem, pal. Yes, I came a long way since I was a problem child. Same guy I always been, trying to make my mama proud. Reaching for the stars, praying I won't ever touch the ground. I gotta do this now while the sun's still shining. No matter how you get it, gotta see the silver lining. Remember when we came up, everybody tried to